In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys a new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission like this. I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake, and as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing and how you can create an affiliate account like this one and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free and just by using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, you need to go to Google. Okay, first step, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. Fiverr affiliate is the best affiliate program business that you can start ever because they are really paying a good commission for those services. Okay, so from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start for free. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you have a main source of traffic, you can say yes or no, choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to choose, now you need to choose a good service that you can promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage, just go to your YouTube homepage and you will use YouTube search to find a profitable services. This is the method that I'm using. Okay, and why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links. So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And people are using YouTube. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, topics on YouTube. Okay, and it's for free. You can get traffic for free if you follow those steps. Okay, it's the best search engine in the world. Okay, second search engine in the world, 13 billion monthly visitors. That's really a big number. Okay, so anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. So for example, I will ask how to, for example, how to create YouTube, and here you go. So for example, just ask any question you want and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to create YouTube channel, how to create YouTube shorts, how to create YouTube account, how to create YouTube banner. Okay, let's take for example this let's take this topic, how to create YouTube banner. People who are searching for how to create YouTube banners, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, search for YouTube banner. Okay, search for YouTube banner like this, and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on YouTube, on Fiverr. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to create YouTube banner, they want to create a YouTube banner for their YouTube channels. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service to create a good and professional YouTube banner. Okay, from those sellers. Okay, So for example, like this one, as you can see. And so now I want you to pay attention. So you need to choose a good seller. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, let's choose for example, this one is looking good. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5 star. This service is, this price is fair enough. Okay, I will click on his service. Just click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So before we do that, what you need to do, you need to go back to this seller profile page. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, click on this YouTube banners like this, and double click and save image. Click on save image and save those example banners to your laptop. Okay, we will use those pictures to create a slideshow video that we will promote, that we will use to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, like this, and I will save this one, save image. It's super easy. Okay, banner 2 like this, and I will add this one, save image, banner 3, and I will add this one is for a customer. Let me see, this one looks really good. I can also add this one, save image, banner 5. Okay, after you finish, so what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Okay, just search for Canva. It's easy and simple and it's for free. Sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload those pictures. Okay, banner 1, and I will upload this picture, banner 2, and banner 3. Open, just upload those pictures to your Canva account, and that's it. It's super easy like this. Okay, so after you finish, click on first picture like this, first banner example. Click on this 3 points and click on set image as background like this. Okay, click on add page and add another picture like this, 3 points, set image as background. Click on add page and let's add this, the last one, set image as background like this. Okay, after you finish, go to the first page. Okay, and click over here on text. Click, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for example, I will use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use, and I will delete this part and make it small like this. Let's put this here, double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Check link in description. Okay, make it like this, super easy. And here you go. Let me see, let's add this here. After you finish, click on elements. Okay, click on elements, scroll down. You have here shapes. Choose this. I will choose this one, and I will put this one here just to make this text looking good. Okay, looking clear like this. And I will click on your text. Click on text color, and I will use white color. Click on text again, click on effect, click on outline, click on color, and scroll down, choose black color, then scroll down again and increase, make it like this. Okay, it's looking good now. Okay, check link in description, copy this. Okay, like copy, just click on the text and click on duplicate. Okay, like this. Keep clicking your text and put your text here. Okay, in the second page. Okay, again duplicate, put this text in the last page like this. Okay, and here you go. So we created a slideshow video with those banners example. Okay, let's check now. It's looking good. Okay, click on the first page, click over here on edit timing, and make the timing just to 3 seconds. Click on apply to all page like this. Let's make it short. Okay, it's looking now good. So people who will watch this video in YouTube, okay, people who are searching for how to create YouTube banner, they will see this video, they will see those banners example. And people who are interested to create a YouTube banner, a professional YouTube banner, they will see this. Check link in description, and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, so after you finish, click on share, click on download, and download this video to your laptop. It's super easy and simple. Okay, you don't need to add any background music or anything, just create a simple slideshow video with those banners example. It's super easy. After you finish, go to YouTube, upload this video to your YouTube channel, put this title in your YouTube title, use this exact title, don't change anything. Okay, just put this, copy how to create YouTube banner, and that's it. Okay, go to your description and put, if you are interested to get a professional YouTube the banner, check this link below and put your affiliate link. Go to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. If you have new account, you will not see this Fiverr CPA old plan. You can also use this Fiverr Pro new plan. It's easy. It's the same. It's normal. Okay, because they have changed those affiliate links plans. Okay, and it's the same. Okay, copy this one Fiverr Pro affiliate link from here. So you just need to click from here and your link will be copied. Okay, your affiliate link. Go to your YouTube description, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using. That's how I promote my affiliate links on YouTube. I use YouTube search, I find profitable services, I see what people are searching for. I created videos about those topics. I put my affiliate links in description. I promote a lot of affiliate links, and I earn commission just by using free traffic. It's super easy. It's easy, but it needs a lot of consistency and hard work. Okay, and YouTube is the best search engine that you can get so much traffic from. Okay, YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors. This number is really crazy. Okay, millions of people every single day are searching on YouTube. If you create good videos, if you put your affiliate links good in your description, you will earn really a lot of money from affiliate marketing using just YouTube. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and I will answer all your question in my next video. Okay, also for people who don't know exactly how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, how you can upload videos to YouTube, how you can put affiliate links in your YouTube description, Don't worry, I will put a link in my YouTube description. Okay, check description of this video. You will find a video showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can put affiliate links in your description. Okay, it's super easy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.